Today we will discuss the magnetic behavior of nickel complexes. We know nickel, it has atomic number 28. Outer configuration of nickel 2 is 3d8. Number of unpaired electrons is 2. Value of capital S is 1. Capital L is 3. Spin only value 2.84 and mu observed is 2.9 to 3.4. Now nickel 2 D8 octahedral complexes such as with T2G6 Eg2 configuration have magnetic moment of 3.2 bm at room temperature. This is also explained on the basis of above equation with lambda is minus 315 centimeter inverse for nickel 2 and mu observed is 2.84 bm. Similarly, the next complex this complex acetyl acetonato is octahedral and it shows a normal magnetic moment of 3.2 bm. Like other nickel 2 complexes, it shows normal magnetic moment down to about 80 Kelvin, but below this temperature the magnetic moment increases from 3.2 bm to 4.1 bm at 4.3 Kelvin. This is due to ferromagnetic coupling. This is due to ferromagnetic coupling. Therefore, the molecule is assigned a trimeric structure. Not this, but trimeric structure in which all the 6 unpaired electrons, 2 electrons from each nickel atom in the trimer contribute to ferromagnetic coupling. Nickel 2, if we see nickel 2 tetrahedral complexes, they have electronic configuration E4, T24. They have orbital contribution, OC is there, and observed magnetic moment values in the range 3.2 to 4.1 bm, and this can be explained on the basis of orbital contribution to magnetic moment. Now, the behavior of square planar complexes of nickel, that is quite different. Square planar complexes of nickel too, they are diamagnetic. We have got three types of complexes. We are discussing tetrahedral, and now we are taking up the case of square planar complexes of nickel. Square planar complexes of nickel 2 are diamagnetic. The strong field ligand Cn negative, it produces square planar complex or octahedral complex like and no tetrahedral complex has been reported. The red colored complex precipitated by nickel 2 and dimethyl glyoxime from slightly ammonical solution is also square planar. The complex which you perform in practicals also in BSc, SEM 3 you have performed nickel DMG complex. Complex was square planar and you prepared it in using dimethyl glyoxime ligand in ammonical solution. If we take the compounds of type NiL2X2, NiL2X2, these may be square planar or tetrahedral depending upon the ligands. For example, the complex this may be square planar or tetrahedral. Diamagnetic, and it will be diamagnetic and square planar when R is alkyl and X is I, and it will be paramagnetic and tetrahedral when R is aryl and X is Cl. Now in mixed alkyl aryl phosphanes, conformational isomerism may also occur. For example, I am talking of a complex which has been isolated in both green paramagnetic tetrahedral form and brown diamagnetic square planar form. The complex is this is the complex. This has been isolated in both. When it is green, it is paramagnetic. And tetrahedral. And when it is isolated in brown color, it will be diamagnetic and it will be square planar. Next, I will take up the complexes of type. Complexes of type. In solution, these exist as mixture of isomers. With magnetic moment values in the range 0 to 3.2 bm. This can be explained in terms of equilibrium between square planar tetrahedral or square planar octahedral arrangements in solutions. The magnetic properties of complexes can be very useful in establishing electronic structures and stereochemistry. Nickel 2 complexes provide an example of usefulness of magnetic properties. Now, if we take the complex this can be prepared under the slightly different conditions and two complexes of this composition has been obtained. One is yellow and diamagnetic while other is blue with a magnetic moment of 2.9 bm. Blue complex is assigned octahedral structure whereas yellow complex is most likely to be the square planar complex in which perchlorate ions are not coordinating. However, 5 coordinate geometry with the single coordinate chlorate ligand cannot be excluded on the basis of magnetic data. The complex this is diamagnetic and square planar. But the analogous complex with bulky tricyclohexyl phosphine ligand has magnetic moment of 3.5 bm and this indicates a tetrahedral structure. In intermediate cases, With moderately bulky phosphenes, the scareplanar and tetrahedral forms, these are in equilibrium in solution. So there exists an equilibrium between diamagnetic paramagnetic equilibrium
हो गया, क्या ले आऊं?